This is a 2006 Ford Expedition. This SUV has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, roof rails, cruise control, a CD player, a driver airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a power driver's seat, air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, and alloy wheels. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.